You brought up a good point. Now we're talking about taking orders. A lot of this is like CPG related. For our viewers, listeners who are more on the sales side, how would you go about doing giveaways or lead generation?
As far as giveaways, so look, giveaways are a whole other world, right? So giveaways for us, I mean, I've been in the trade show industry for about 20 years. I've seen every giveaway under the sun, from, prize wheels to, bowls of candy, to free pens, to squeeze balls, to, gift cards, massage certificates, people doing live shiatsu neck massages at the booth. So giveaways, magicians, like engagement activations, whatever you can name. I think, there's no right or wrong answer as a giveaway. People always are down for free shit. I think the point that's worth noting is if you're giving away, whatever bowls of candy or Starburst, and that's your lead gen strategy, you're hoping that's going to make people walk up and you're going to generate. That's not a lead. That's a guy that needs a mint. Those are not viable methodologies or ways of attracting leads or customers. They're more of like a talking point after a sale or after engagement, right? So I think what you're trying to talk about, and what you're trying to get me to talk about, is our Backdrop Alive app. So we've just introduced, and you've been one of the beta testers on this platform, is Backdrop Alive is the first ever augmented reality engagement activation. But we are pushing the boundaries and the envelope on visceral, immersive activations and engagements in getting folks to gamify everything. Our goal is to make it so that people go to a trade show, your staff is armed with like this capability or this new weapon where they could say, hey, want to see something cool or want to play a game, and they can, almost allow folks to step right up and point a device, point the app at a, at a logo or at the backdrop or whatever we've preset, and allow them to create a race car game, a claw machine game, a prize wheel, whatever it is, the game, and actually win discounts, actually allow for lead generation, whatever that is. We want to gamify that experience to take away a line or queue of people that just want to stand around and get a free piece of candy.
Yeah.